it's about the unethical conduct of Senator De Lima in violating a law, violating the rules of Congress, and violating her oath as a public officer in violation of Section or Article 11 on public office being a public trust.
Sir, what exactly? Ito ba yung sa text message, sir?
Yes.
What are you expecting, sir, na magiging penalty? May hiniling ba kayong specific penalty?
Wala naman. It's whatever should be imposed by the Senate under its rules.
Sir, sinasabi niya kasi advice lang naman. Hindi naman daw niya kinuman si Ronnie Dayan para wag ka
whether it is advice, in fact, yung provision of Section 150 or Article 150 of the Revised Penal Code says inducing, and mere inducement, I guess, is even far less than advice, or probably synonymous to advice. Pareho lang yun.
Sir, baka ipatawag kayo ng ethics committee kapag hinir na nila itong ethics committee para daw pagharapin yung respondents and complainant. Open po kayo to attending?
Of course. Itong ginawa ng House leadership is really probably a clear manifestation of the respect that the House of Representatives give to its co-equal chamber, which is the Senate. So, in fact, the intention really, except that medyo nasabit sila speaker dahil merong mga American congressmen who are in the House of Representatives today, kanya that is what is holding him coming over. But he really wants to come over and show the utmost respect and courtesy that the Senate deserves. And yun nga, sinasabi ko, it is the Speaker no less who will come over to file this complaint and be a complainant, and he is a complainant.
Sir, nakasulat po sa document na inaakusahan niyo si Senator De Lima of unparliamentary acts. But on the other hand, yung sa House probe po, sinasabi din ng mga ibang critics na unparliamentary din yung conduct ng ibang lawmakers. How do
Then
you
they file an ethics complaint against those who are, yun na nga, yun yung respeto namin sa isa't isa. Now, whether it is unparliamentary or not, I do not want to make judgment on that. It is for the House Ethics Committee to determine that.
Sir, pakistate po yung basis. Pakistate po yung basis para maintindihan po ng tao for your ethics.
Well, yung first is, as a senator, a secretary of justice, and a lawyer, di ba? When she advised or induced Dayan to hide and not to attend the Senate or the House inquiry, we felt that she violated not only the rules but the law, which is Article 150 of the Revised Penal Code, which says that yung disobedience to a summon issued by the National Assembly, which is Congress. So,
nakapunin nyo ngayon final, wala po si Senator De Lima sa
hindi naman namin alam na aalis siya. So, we had to prepare the complaint and so on and so forth. And ngayon lang namin natapos, kanya ngayon namin final.
Sir, personally ba nakausap niyo na si Senator De Lima? Kasi di ba ninong kayo
Negative.
naman
Negative.
Sir, anong sagot niyo dun sa show cause?
Wala. We don't know what the Senate did, and we, that is water under the bridge. Kasi we heard her say na she will not, she does not recognize House of Representatives. She will not answer it, and so what's the point?
So you didn't receive any replies?
Walang reply.
Bali, wala na yun.
Well, this is our next step, filing a an ethics complaint and another filing a criminal complaint for violation of Article 150 before the Department of Justice.
Sir, nasa na po yung ethics complaint? Kasi dala niyo.
Sa amin na ngayon, pero we're just waiting for Congressman Pariñas and Speaker.
So darating pa sila.
Sabi
I
kasi
hope
ni
so.
Congressman Fariñas hindi na daw po siya.
Well, kung hindi man, baka bukas na siya. Anyway, we have a BICAM tomorrow.
Ano po yung ino-hope nyo na punishment for this?
We will give it to the sound judgment of the senators, the ethics committee, and the Senate, the Senate at large.
Sir, do you want her dismissed, expelled, or something like that? I mean,
Ang sa amin kasi dito is that we felt, the House felt offended by the disrespect on the House of Representatives. So, this is also one way of defining what interchamber courtesy covers or means. No? So this is our way of trying to enrich jurisprudence, define interchamber courtesy, and then ultimately give notice to anyone, including a senator, that the respect that is due the House of Representatives should be given.
so you want her dismissed, sir?
We will leave it to the sound discretion of Senate.
Are you confident, sir, na magiging patas po yung ethics committee natin na po?
We will leave it to the sound discretion of Senate.
Okay.
Sir, pwede ka namin po